we'll be good. I'll try to keep torque on you. We're not going to go fast because we can't.
Yeah.
But when you start losing it, I'll give you some help, okay?
Sorry if I got too close there.
Oh, no. I have another tow rope. Do you think a longer one would help you at all?
No, I think this will be all right.
Keep what you got, okay. All right.
I have another one too.
Oh, okay. All right, just thought I'd
but
offer.
I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Well, you want to back up the runner a little bit?
No, can't. It ain't gonna matter. I made it that far, and it just ain't there.
Okay.
Yeah, try to keep the momentum going if
Yeah,
you got
once
momentum.
we get going. All right.
2 seconds. I need a swallow on my drink.
No, messed up my mirror. How can I see it when you mess up my mirror?
Sorry, I was laying on the handlebars.
Good luck, man. That ain't gonna be pretty. I think they're back in the head. Ain't gonna happen. Oh boy. It looks like they're on the hardest part right now. He made it. There you go at 750 brute. Getting it done. Woo! Oh boy. Well, whew, no rock. I think I just seen it all. Holy moly. All right. We're out in the outback, the way out back. All right. Knocking the rancher, heading back to the city. Woo. I can't take all this. This is too much. I didn't bargain for this. Woo.